People are stranded. We have no communication from Electoral Commission. We don't know what is going on, but we have not yet started voting. They are telling us where the machines have reached, they are saying there are no codes to operate the machines, so they are not operational. Where the machines have not yet gotten there, they are still waiting for the person to take the machines there. So polling stations have no materials. Let me just be sincere to myself and to you people. We have not started voting. We don't know. We were not getting any communication from the Electoral Commission. We cannot see the returning officer. He's nowhere to be seen. Even if you call and do what, you cannot get anyone. Sure. So it is a general problem in much in the West. No polling station has started casting their votes.
According to what we are seeing, it is not a fault for people or for people who are coming to vote. But the only problem we are having, it is maybe the problem from the EC. They have delayed all the material. Right now, material has just come, but even the machine has refused to do what? To start working. What they are telling us that they are waiting for the code. Yet they told us that we are supposed to start voting at 8 exactly, which is, and also they are telling us that at exactly 4, they have to close the what? The polling station. So we don't know if this machine happens to fail up to the whole day. That is the challenge we are going to be having.
The journey we started has ended today in this electoral process. I thank you, the Electoral Commission, for the wonderful and peaceful election organized up to this day. Like I promised you among my reforms, where that you are the beneficiary, Chiambam, Ugandans, my fellow Ugandans. This is the time to do the right thing. Like I said earlier on, that even whoever is going to win as a president is obvious, simply because he's better than anyone standing, and that is Mr. Museveni. I promised that I will work with him, and I am not someone simply a chanting dog, but someone that knows what to do. I am not excited. We are going to bring these reforms and see and make sure that they are adopted in working of government departments. I thank you so much for keeping peace and security, and you fellow Ugandans, thank you for doing the right thing. Like earlier on, I promised if I am voted out, there's always a winner and a loser. I'll just stand behind whoever has won, hand over my reforms, and we take and steer the country forward. I thank you so much. This is the time where we are supposed to do the right thing in the next tenure of His Excellency and whoever shall be voted. I thank you so much for God and my country.
And first of all, there's been some challenges since morning. People have not been voting. We didn't get the automated machines. So when we had a statement from Byamukama, the returning officer of the Electoral Commission, we had to ensure that we talked to our people to use the register. So right now, lines are so long, but I'm happy that the presiding officers have agreed and people have started to vote. The turn-up is so high.
yenna ekikwatako kubikozesebwa bibere nga bituuka mu budde abantu balusobola okukola kyokulonda naye ng'embeera tennabeera mbi mu mbeera ya security weyawoka aba security webali n'abalondesa baatuuse dda mu kitundu wabula ebikozesebwa byo bitannaba kutuuka so kye tusaba kimu ebikozesebwa bituuke tusobole okuba nga okulonda kugenda mu maaso
nga si byakulwana tume okudduka bano balwana bano zeeri kyova batujjayo buli kimu ekitukwatako
buli kye banaakusaba okuze nakyo
nakyo nyize nakyo njagala ki kulonda obuntu bulamu akalulu akatuufu tewali kulwana tewali kuyomba tewali kukola ki kyonna ekinomesa okulonda nkiyina kiri wano kitadda kulonda nga buli kimu nkireese sindaga muntu nasoma n'okusoma empapa zizino buli kimu weekiri njala ndaba nemesa okulonda galaba obuzibu
kati ba Electoral Commission simba sitegeera mulimo gwayo oba bwe tumala okulonda yo neetuula ate eddamu kulonda nga eddamu okuwandiika abakozi nga mu wiiki ya kulonda kuba kati tewali kyeteeseteese nti kino tuli wano tulinga abatamanyi kyakukola
aba kukigenda mu maaso tetumanyi kigenda mu maaso emyaka 5 egiyise bategeka kalulu nga bakimanyi tuyina okulonda bannange tuli kuki byonna babiddamu buto nti ate tulina era kuddayo buto tukole ate ebigenda ate okukyankalanya abantu olunagira nga bagamba abantu tebalina bugumiikiriza.
Airtel Extreme Unlimited Internet just got better. Paying for an Extreme Unlimited Internet connection now comes with free data, SMS plus voice minutes to call and text across networks for the Muganga who pays the monthly bill. Dial *125# or call 125 today
to upgrade to an unlimited, uncapped Airtel Internet experience.
Airtel.